Mmm! Eat well, Michael Jackson. Ano? Ano ba itong ano ko? My hair is not giving. Nasa bahay lang po, mi. I am eating. Ay!
Ako, hindi ka kalakaw ron. Kaya wala yung ipon.
Ready ka? Toyo at tuyo. It's bulad. Wala, sa likod lang. Mmm. Ang sarap yung kalabasa. Tsaka sitaw. As in talagang durugin ng kalabasa. Ayun na. May maliliit na mga buto. Nakita na?
Hindi.
Wala nga lang sabaw. Asan ang sabaw? Asan ang sabaw? Ito ano? Ay! Gatay! Parang mapaparaise pa ako again. My gosh, it's so...
Hindi ko, mangit ako.
Ang sarap pagluto ni Kevin, guys. Kaya... Kayo rin ba? Yung mga jowa nyo, magagaling magluto. Kaya parang feeling ko ang bilis kong tumaba. I'm so big. Like, my face is always bloated or whatever. May kilay. Yes, may kilay na ako pero hindi pa siya tubo dito. I don't know why. Nagtampo na. Or it's going there. Another bite. Gulay yan. Gulay. Mmm! Pang commercial. Guys, pangarap ko makita si Ian Mark. Mama, if you're watching this, I am your biggest fan. I'm a fan of you. And I want you to live forever and spread love and positivity. You're the best. Alam niyo ba guys, yung kinikita niya sa TikTok, naiyak ako. Tsara! Yung kinikita niya sa TikTok, binibigay niya sa mga nangangailangan. So, naiyak! Hindi kasi nakita ko yung mga content niya. Di ba ang baba ng luha ko, nakakainis. Huwag na nga mag-live. Ayun. Hawak niya ang beat. At hawak na rin yung bigas paakyat dun sa kasabog. Mmm. Mmm. Ano yung mga pinagsesan nyo? May sunflower sabog. Guys, kamusta kayo? Excited ba kayo sa season 4? Diba? Meron na ba? Di ko alam yan. Nag-film na ata sila, di ko sure. How would I know? Ay! May corgi! Ano kaya? Ano kaya mangyayari sa season 4? Oh my God, sino kaya yung mga cast? Oh my gosh! Ano kaya mga drama? Ano kaya mga, oh my God. Sinong angat at sinong sikat? Takla. Sana ibalik nila yung away talaga, no? Yung parang bakla, bangayan. Kasi ngayon, guys, ngayon kasi, hindi na nila inaano yung ano. Kasi reality TV show siya. So, what you feel at that time is very valid. And you have no right to tell the girls what and not to do. Because it's a competition. And minsan talaga may magagawa kang hindi mo naman sinasadya. Pero because the competition is getting harder and harder and harder, it's just a human nature, di ba? Kasi lahat na lang ginagawa ng mga queens, ay, wala yan, masama ugali ni ganito, i-cancel si ganito, i-cancel si ganyan. You know what? Fuck that shit. Bring back away, bring back gulo, drama, drag, you know? You know what I'm talking about? Sabihin nyo yung gusto nyo sabihin. Because you are valid. Say what you want to say. Ano na nangyari? Babae ang atake ni Kiana. Me, Ki, yung merch ko hindi pa dumadating. Ay my gosh! Nako! Kinakabahan ako. Kailangan na natin igalaw yan. Now na. Send me your details. What happened? Saan mo ba pinin location? Very specific ba yung ano mo? Hi, Makoy. Thank you for... Is this Ate Makoy? Ay. Thank you, Makoy, for the gifts and si Deng. Hi, Deng. Taga House of Deng ka? Katawa yun? Ano kayo mga challenges nila, no? Guys, grabe. Sino mga wishlist nyo sa cast? Guys. Sa season 4, sino mga wishlist nyo? Ako talaga, I'm just wishing and hoping that mas more outside of Manila. Hindi naman more, parang kalahati baga ba? Kasi marami ng drag sa Philippines, di ba? Like, we need to give them the airtime that they deserve because they are so talented. Actually, ang dami ko na napuntahan ng mga provinces like Iloilo, Pampanga, Baguio, Jensan, Davao, Iligan, where pa? Cotabato. Diba? Maraming mga queens, maraming mga drag queens. Talagang, tang-ina. They are so good. Like, literally, yes. They just need the platform. Because they deserve to shine. Just saying. Sana mas maraming regional queens, mga probinsya, mga taga Visayas, mga taga Mindanao, mga dito sa bandang North. Yes, North. Hindi. Oo, North. Sa taas, di ba? North yun. Di ba ito yung ulo ng Luzon. Tapos may kamay, nakaganto. Sa taas nung Doon. Isabela. Ang dami ng drag queens ngayon, guys. Nakapunta na ba ako ng Bohol? Hindi pa po. I have never been pa. Hi, Te. Pa-shoutout ko taga Japan, mi. Arigatou gozaimasu! Okani nai. Okani muchu da yo. Chinchin taberu. Hi, John. Mi okani nai. You okani mucho, genki desu ka? Tsare. Tsare! Guys, meron na ding Drag Race Japan. My gosh! I'm so excited. Ano yan? Wala na gawas na si Kevin.
May puller.
Puller? No. We don't do that here, babes.
Ayaw din yung growing air.
Drag Race Japan, oh my gosh.
Ako na lang mag-cotton dito.
Nasa ilalim.
Sa katuin yung...
CR. Meron din sa Cavite, I forgot to mention. Ang daming din drag queen sa Cavite. Drag Race Cavite, oo, go. Ang host doon, sino ba? Oh my God! May naisip ako, pero no way. I'm not gonna tell you guys. Ang sarap ng ulam ko. God, ang sarap ng What is this called sa inyo? It has tuyo, kalabasa, sitaw, malunggay, and then gata. Ang tawag sa inyo dito? Ang tawag? Basta, ang tawag. Sa amin, pagkain lang. Yun yung tawag sa kanya. Sorry. Sudaan. Okay! Pinakbet? You're so smart, ah. I want to hug you in the neck. Siyempre yung pinakbet, iba yun. Nilalagyan yun ng what do you call that? The small hipon? Capsicum? Yeah. Ano sa'yo yung tawag ng hipon na maliliit? Ganun ginahalo sa pakbet. Pinakbet. Bagoong. Ja. Sino kayang tinawagan, no? Nakita ko yung tweet na yun. Nag-decline ba talaga, or... I don't know, guys. Why are you asking me? I don't know. Sarap ng ulam. Oh my gosh. Bacolod. Oh my God, alam mo sa Bacolod, may mga ano ako dyan, may mga tita ko. I have titas there, I have uncles, I have cousins. I just don't know them yet. Because my dad, he can speak, anong tawag sa ano? Language sa Bacolod? I have no idea. Alam niyo namang, I don't have enough storage here. So, hindi ko maaalala yan. Full storage na. Kailangan ko nang bumili ng iCloud. Kala ko na lang ito, Gian. Oh my God, I'm done. May ano oh. Nagluto si Kevin, parang ipapadala niya ata to kay Brigading. Look, ang sweet-sweet. Dapat lagyan ng ano to, letter. With love. Eat well. Evil face. May hinago pala. Alam niyo yung mga comment niyo, I don't wanna read it. I'm so over it. Ay! I'm so over that shit. Oh my God, stop. Huwag na natin ipagsiksikan ang sarili natin sa mga taong ayaw. How about that? Clock the tea. Kaloka. Plema na pala. Plemitis, rhinitis. Uy, thank you. Thank you, Lord, for that wonderful feast. Tatawa ako. Alam niyo ba yung joke ni Vice Ganda na... Ay, hindi naman joke. Parang... May isang babae, tapos binigyan siya ni Vice Ganda ng something. Tapos sabi niya, "Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!" Tapos sabi ni Vice, sa akin walang thank you. Walang thank you. Kay Lord mo. Ganyan. So every time na magte-thank you, Lord ako, si Vice Ganda yun na iisip ko, te. Tapos tumatawa ako mag-isa. Is that normal? Or I'm just crazy like that? Comment down below. May mga ganyan ako pag may sinasabi ako. Biglang may iisip akong joke sa sarili ko, tapos tatawa ako. Di ba funny naman ako? Ganun na ganun ako. Ang sarap ng tubig. Isa pa. Kailan ako pupunta sa Sorsogon? Be, dala mo ko ticket. Dali. Magpo-perform ako dyan sa sala nyo. Habang kumakain kayo ng breakfast. O gusto mo ako na magluto ng breakfast din? Itlog lang naman, di ba? Itlog, corned beef. O ano pa. Tapos mag-open ka lang ng Century Tuna. Breakfast na yun. Si Kevin at si Cookie nasa labas. They are walking down the streets. Look at my kila, it's giving pahak diri oh. Parang hindi na siya tumubo. Ay. Nangyari sa Coco? Dugyot na. Wait lang. It's not what you think it is. It's actually fish residue. And I remember. It's the spray thingy. What do you call that? Yeah, I colored something black. And then it got to my nails. The inside of it, actually. How can you sit to my arms?
I want to see more.
Alam niyo ba guys, I'm so obsessed with matcha lately. Like, literally. Ano favorite niyo, beverage? Tari, interviewer. Magla-live pala kami later guys with Kevin. I will be opening some. Wag na mag-English, mag-open kami ng gift. Kaloka. Oh, sino to? Ipasok. Papasukin natin yung mga yan. Bilisan nyo. Mga nagre-request, tiga nyo. Pag pinapasok ko kayo dito, tapos ayaw nyo kumano. So, makikita yung request dito.
Smell pa, smell pa.
Ayun.
Ikaw nagdadala.
Yes. Ay, ang tagal magsalita. Ayoko na.
He
What is it, darling?
horrible. This Tagalog.
So, kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay? Anong drag name mo? Or what do you want me to call you?
No, Genzel.
Genzel, wow. That's a great name, ah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you too. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Love you.
Okay. Si Denzel naman, wala masyadong. Sige, sino pa? Paano yun? Bakit nandito? Ano, nagbibideo ko lang? Liit naman dito. How do you fix that? Sino ba yung invite natin? Pwede palang ganito. Kaloka, wait. If this song is Tagalog, ayan. Kung sino na lang yan, nasa pinakatuktok. Ayan. How do you change this?
Hello.
Hello!
Hi. Oh my gosh, girl. You're my
Girl.
ultimate favorite.
Really,
Ever.
really, girl?
Opo, super.
Oh, how could you say that? Ala, teka lang.
Because ako tsaka yung bebe ko ay idol ka namin, ikaw. I don't know.
Oh, really?
Yes
That's
po. And
very,
wait, is this for real?
Hindi, joke lang to.
Hindi. Pagtarong ba?
Ala, Bisaya. Go.
Bisaya ako, uy! Oh my gosh!
What the heck?
Can
I hate
you-
Bisaya.
Wait, can you give shout out sa bebe na ako na dito sa Australia? Karon?
Magkano?
Saan magkano?
Hindi pwedeng
How much ba?
You have to
Oh my
pay me
gosh. Naamo tour karon? Or
$500 US.
Oh my gosh, that's too much.
No, that's That's the most.
Yeah,
Ano name
okay.
niya? Ano name niya?
Sila Condesa. She's actually from Australia.
Australia. I've been to Australia. What the hell?
Really?
I've been to Australia. I've been to Sydney. I have been to pumunta ako ng Sydney.
Okay.
And then pumunta din ako ng Melbourne. I performed there.
Okay.
I met a lot of people along the way. They're so sweet.
Girl, you're
Aussies
so
were-
pretty. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Wait, this for real. Alam mo, ikaw ang blessing for today's video. Like, stress ako sa school ko, ano.
Wait, what?
Yeah, sobrang stress ko sa school. Tapos bigla kang... ano ba yan?
Sige na.
Yes.
Alam mo, para di ka ma-stress, mag-review ka na, girl. I am telling you.
Okay. Ala, thank you kaayo. You're so pretty.
Love you.
Love you po. Oh my gosh. Ala ka.
Diba? From Australia. Hindi ko na na-shoutout yung jowa mo. What the hell? Sino pa? Paano ba yun? Bakit parang nag-video call? Di ako marunong yung... The hell? Oh, ayan.
Uy, hello?
Sino to?
Hala, isa ako. Isa ka.
Hello?
Hello?
Sino to?
Gwapak ka, Kiana. Hello?
Si Jules ba to? Si Kuya Will to?
Ano na? Hello? Uy. Hala, legit. Wait
Hello,
lang.
Anas.
Picture ta, idol. Wait lang.
No way! Hala, fresh ka.
Abot, uy.
What the?
Go. Umalapin na.
Nalibang ka, girl?
Wala, uy. Simbak ko. Bayot balay. Manina mo. Di ba ni CR?
Oo. Wala ba rin si Aaron Balay, no? Di pwede po.
Abot, uy. Ala, thank you so much, Kiana. Ay,
Thank you,
Kiana.
Jules. Dahil dyan, eto ang sasabihin ko sa iyo.
Unsa man?
Diba? Importante yon. Okay, next tayo. Sino natin? Ito si Clarence. Sino to? Hello?
Kiana.
Is this who I think it is? Is this Clarence?
Yes. Hello, pa ako?
OMG, how are you, Clarence?
Hello. I miss you.
Ay, teka.
Kilala mo pa ako?
Ano?
Kilala mo pa ako?
Yes, sa ano tayo nag-meet? Sa Hosek?
Yes.
Pinsan ka ni Jules? Ay, tama ba?
Hindi, ni Jackie.
Pinsan ka ni Jackie pala. Oo, si Jackie.
Miss na kita.
Oh, si Jackie. Oo. I remember.
Hello, kamusta ka?
Kaya
Isa sabihin mo sa akin.
wow,
Baka
you're
palis
so
mo
grown,
ako dito.
you're such a grown up na. Paano ba ito Di ko alam. Paano, iganto dalawa, yung ganon.
Sa settings ata.
Grabe, sobrang helpful nung pagkasabi ng sa settings ata.
Pindutin mo po yung yung mukha ko or mukha mo.
Mukha ko.
Sabi kayo ng kalaro ko.
Ayan, may nag-aaway na bata, oh. Sa likod.
Meron diyang parang... Saan ba yan? Pindutin mo ako.
Pindutin,
Tapos may
tapos
settings ata doon.
wala na.
Wala.
Camera. No.
Kilala mo ta?
Ano ba yun? Anyway, thank you so much, Clarence, for
Bye-bye. Sobrang miss na kita. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye! Grabe. Si Clarence, nagpakit lang talaga siya. Wala siya masyadong... akala mo nag-video call lang tayo, no? Kailangan ko na sige, if isasali kita, you have to ask me questions. Dalawa lang. Dalawa ni Max. Pero isang question lang. So, are you guys ready? Halatang bored, no? Wala akong ginagawa, guys. Kakatapos ko lang kain. Okay. Ready, get set, I go. Okay, let's choose. Okay, let's choose, wait. This one. Okay, ayan.
Hello.
Hello?
How? So, question po.
What's your name?
JM po.
Hi, JM. So, what's up?
What? So, ano na pong improvement nyo sa volleyball?
Ang
You like that?
Okay. I don't know what to say, pero my improvement is still improving, diba? Because you know what? I don't know. Is it because kasi ang baba na ng talon ko, so parang nalulunod ako sa set minsan. Kaya ngayon, or kailangan ko lang mag-train. Pero as of the moment, nakaka-score naman ako. Thank you so much, JM. Grabe. Pakita mo naman yung festival mo.
Ate. Wait lang. Paano ba to?
Grabe pusa. Ang ina, ang sarap ng babaeng ito.
Uy, hindi. Mali.
Grabe! Thank you so much
Ate,
for that question. I love ya. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, ganon. May ganon, di ba? May Q&A. Nauga lang ako kasi binalibol mo ako agad, ma. Ano ba yan? Hi, Bombelia! Jerbs. Uy, habas. Ano sila? Sa ingan. Ano sa imo ngayon, darling? Jerbs sa. Uy, Shubilangs et. Okay, let's accept this one. Ay! Nakausap na kita kanina. Si Jules Keme. How about this one?
Oh my god! Oh my god, is this Gian Bernardino ba to? Oh my god, Keanu. Magulita ka.
Ame. Anong mo? Ay, ayoko nang di nagpapakita ng face.
Huwag mo, pakachaka ko today.
Given, no? Pakita mo na lang, i-flaunt mo na lang.
Sige na.
So, what's your question? Gatay! Oh, you're so funny! Oh my God! Pero para lang tayo nag-video call, grabe. Expand kita.
Uy, wag! Ano yan?
Anong question, Adi? Wag natin siya expand.
Sige.
How do you this one? Okay, wait. Wala kang input? Okay,
Yung
go.
question ko today is, like, kailan ka nag-start ng drag queen?
Oh my God, thank you for asking that question. I actually started way, way back, as long as I can remember, because... Hala!
Oh my God.
Mag-makeup nung high school. Yes, like, meron pa akong video na nire-report ko na hindi pa rin na baban. Yung Ryan the G ko na account. Yun, andun lahat ng mga, ko, yung iba. Yung iba nawala na yung mga video. Pero nagme-makeup na ako nung high school. Like, first year, high school. Yes.
Oh my God.
Start ako mag-makeup, yung special effects makeup nung grade 6. Yung may dugo-dugo dito, may kagat ng vampire. Tapos kunyari, tinatago-tago ko sa mga classmate ko para, shit, kinagat siya ng vampire, gano'n.
Ate Kay, may kilala po, may friend po akong idol ka. Can you po shout out her?
Okay, yung next natin.
Ay!
Huwag mo akong, asikaso. Inaano mo ako ng trabaho eh. Nagki-Q&A nga tayo dito eh. Eh di sana nag-shoutout na lang, live and shoutout. Oh my God! Welcome back! Ayan, kakarating na nila. Cookie. Hi, Cookie! Eh di sana nag-shoutout na lang tayo lahat dito. Hindi na wag na mag-Q&A. Nieta. Anyway. Okay, next natin na questioner. Okay, let's accept this one.
Magla-live kami later on.
KR?
Magbubukas kami ng regalo later on sa IG.
Wait lang, meron akong programa, mamaya ka na. May program ako na Q&A with Kiana. Huwag ka munang commercial break ka. Yes, what is that? Nasa ilalim ka ba ng dagat, be? Ano ba? I can't hear you.
Yeah, it's water.
Ewan ko sa'yo, nak. Hindi kita marinig. Okay, let's... Okay, how about this one? Have you ever tried this one? Again. I think this is the drag queen. Hello!
Hello, Miss Kiana with a K. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hi, Miss
I'm a fan of
Jay.
yours. Hello.
Miss Jay-Z, is that your drag name? Am I right?
Yes, po.
Hi,
I'm a
how are
drag
you?
race.
Where are you
I'm a
from,
drag-
Miss Jay-Z?
I'm from Southern Leyte, from Visayas. Bisaya Taday.
Yes,
Man.
ano sila, tell them about yourself. Ipailay-ilay mong kagalingon sa ating mga audiences.
Maayong hapon.
Wait, hold.
Yes.
We cannot see your face.
Okay. Naka-uniform pa ako. Wait lang.
Ganda.
Yes, okay. Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Miss J. Z. And I'm your power top Nabratsi from Southern Leyte. Yes.
Correct.
I am 22 years old.
Pwede
And
ka na?
Yes po.
Hire banker. Pinaprank mo kami. Go.
22. Yes, final. Yes.
Fine na tayo after. Yes.
Oh
what
my
is
God.
your question, my love.
Po.
Hindi ka na-orient. Ba yan? Kakapasok mo lang ba na live? Kailangan mo magkaas ng question, ng isang question.
Okay. Hindi pa ako na-orient.
Hindi ka talaga na-orient talaga.
Wa pa na-orient ng bakla.
Ginoo
Yes.
ko. What is your question, my love?
My question is, what is the essence of being a woman? Char!
The essence of being a woman is to becoming a mother or to
Yes. Bring it
2,
on.
3, 4, 5, 6. The
Yes.
essence of being a woman is to become your true identity and become what you are is to be capable of becoming who you are.
Yes. Work.
Thank you so much for that question. I love you, my
Thank you so much,
love.
Kiana. Thank you.
Hindi ko kinaya. Ano ba yung pa-Q&A? Hindi pa ako nag-review. Hindi Q&A na ano. Siyempre, literal na minisgame mo naman ako na. Hindi ako ready. Ano ba yan? Napahiya tuloy ako. Ibablock kita. Leche ka. Nagmumukha akong bobo dito, te. Napahiya mo ako ha. Ano yun? Anong ako po? Queen. Okay, next tayo na. Siyempre, wag yung Q&A na ano. Alam nyo naman, hindi ko kayo sumagot ng gano'n. Baka naman yung ako pa Q&A ng mga ganyan. Diyos ko, nauuga yung brain cells ko. Bakala, full storage na nga ni, di ba? Okay. How about this one? Ay. Saan? Ayan. Ayan.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, what's your name? Can you please introduce yourself? And why?
We met here in Clark. My name is Roxanne.
Hi, Roxanne.
You probably don't remember me.
Yes, Roxanne. I will remember you because it's required, right? When you speak to me, it has to be required. Roxanne? Akin to. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko, so kasalanan ko, Roxanne. Yes, your question is?
My question is, paano nyo na-maintain ni Shay yung relationship nyo on fire?
Speaking of that, thank you so much for that wonderful question, Roxanne. Nag-renovate ba kayo ng bahay? Bakit ang dami nagpupukpuk?
Nasa gym ako.
Nasa gym ka? Kala ko. Gusto ka nire-renovate yung bahay nila. Okay, you are at the gym. So I'm just gonna connect it, di ba? It's like the gym. Hindi lahat ng equipment sa gym ay kailangan mo gawin. Same din sa relationship mo. Kasi wala ka sa relationship. Ayun, nahulog yung... nahulog yung buhok. Anyway, yes, what I was saying, Roxanne, love is a choice. It is something that you choose every day, and we maintain our relationship just like in the gym with daily exercise and eating healthy foods. And I thank you. Okay, Roxanne? Kaya ka ba dyan?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Roxanne. I love you. Wala masyadong energy si Roxanne, no? Sige. Roxanne, pasensya na. Di kita na-remember, but I will remember you because parang nagtatampo ka na. Huwag ka magtatampo. Tiga mo. Sige, magtatampo ka? Di ako hihinga. 1 minute. Okay. Next naman natin na questioner. Try natin to si ano. Ano ba? Ito. Ito, parang pogi yung ano. Yung profile.
Ay, wait. Wala akong tanong. Pero, see you.
Ano, nasa ano ka, Angkas?
See you sa sa Manawari.
Hello, what's your name?
Sean.
Hi, Sean.
Isa po ako sa sa mga nag-organize dun sa CCA.
Wow, thank you so much for organizing. You're such an organizer. You know that?
See you, Kiana.
See you. Nag-hi lang siya. Ang cute naman ni Sean. Sean, ay ha. Sa TikTok, Dolan. Okay, next natin, ito si Cheryl. Ay, kapangalan mo yung kapatid ko. Okay, ikaw pipiliin ko. I choose you!
Pokemon! Kiana, hi!
Hi, Cheryl!
Wala na off. Hello.
Okay, can you introduce yourself and what is your question, my love?
I am Tracy Sheriel. And my question is,
Nasa school ka?
Opo, nasa school.
What grade are you in? Or out?
First year law school.
Oh my God! Alam mo, ganyan na ganyan din yung grandparents ko. Mga lolo.
Okay.
Lola. Okay na, go.
Sige. Who is your dream duet partner you'd love to share the stage with?
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you so much for that question. Siguro yung, sino ba? Like, nagduo na kami ni Marina, ni Maxi, ni Angel, ni Zimba, sino pa ba? Siguro ang gusto ko makaduo next time, siguro si Precious Paula Nicole. Kasi iba rin talaga yung stamina ni Mama Kyle. Iba siya when she performs. She is a different person and I think I want to embody that also when I'm performing. So, I want her talent to be in me. Or I want her to be in me. Na lang. Sorry. That's it. Thank you so much, Sherry.
Thank you.
Love ya. Ingat sa school. Wait lang, magtutubig lang ako. Parang napagod na ako, guys. Magla-live pa talaga kami later. Okay, si next naman natin na caller is from... Okay, let's pick this one.
Kasi mga comment. Bet, babasa ko.
Hi!
Hello.
Hi, Miss Pam. What's your name?
My name is Mayvic.
Hindi ka sure kasi maybe.
Mayvic.
Maybe?
Yes po.
Akala ko maybe. Akala ko di ka sure. Maybe. My name is maybe. Okay, anyway. What is your question, maybe?
My question is, kung...
Kailangan mo nang bumili ng new electric fan, ng ceiling fan. Naririnig ko yung ceiling fan. Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. Charot lang ha, baka ma-offend ka. What is your question?
Actually, hindi ko... sorry.
Alam mo kung question sa'yo. What is your favorite subject on your
Math.
school at this
Math.
time? Ano?
Math.
Okay, thank you for that answer. Thank you so much. Ganon. Ganon lang kabilis. Wala masyadong explanation. Q&A. Question, answer, tapos. Okay? Love you guys. Okay, magtatampo. Magtatampo kayo? Sige, kukunin ko yung mata ko. Okay, next na questioner natin. Parang dumadami tayo Wait, how about you? Again. I choose you!
Hi.
Hello.
It's Miley, right? Your name is
Yes.
Miley. Hi, Miley.
Hi, I'm...
Isa pa? Ang pangit ko ng picture ko. Isa pa.
Okay. So, manok or itlog?
Doon! Doon ka! Huwag ako kausapin! Yes, that was a very intriguing question of yours. So, my answer will be a secret for now. So, let's proceed to the next questioner. Okay, nurse. Ito si nurse. Oh my God, nurse siya. Parang ang dami kong gusto itanong sa kanya. Hello, nurse?
Hi.
Ay! Oh my God! Nurse, ano ba? Bakit kayo yung boses nyo?
Sorry.
Ano? Sorry, bakit yung sorry
Kakay.
ko? What's your name, sir nurse?
I'm Maverick.
Maverick, hello, Nurse Maverick. So,
Hello po.
I have seen that you have sent a request to be in my live. So, is it okay that you're here?
Yes, I'm okay. Oh my God, natutuwa po ako na nakausap kita. Ano ba yan?
Really? Like, oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
What is your question, my love? Maverick?
I don't know. I don't have any question. I just want to talk with you. That's all. Okay, bye. Sorry, Kiana. Ang gulo ko, no? Nakakahiya.
Parang sexy ng voice eh, Nurse Maverick. Sir, do you circumcise? Charay. But I am already, so I just want it to be double the fun. I mean, ang sexy ng voice. Nurse! Nurse! Charay. Okay, next tayo na magulo to si si Nurse eh. Nagpa-cute lang, Tawagan mo ako every morning. Sabi mo lang sa akin, good morning, Kiana. Kung kumain ka na dyan, okay? Ganun ka lang sa akin, okay? I'll give you my number. Okay, next tayo na caller. Okay, that. Speaking of that one. Eto, kanina ko pa doon nakikita si... Ay, nawala. Asa ka na? Ayan. Si Kai. Hello?
Hello?
Hi!
Hello? Hello?
Hi, Ate Kai. Can you please introduce yourself, please?
Ang formal mo sa akin. Gusto mo ba ako makita? Hindi mo ba ako kilala?
Ate
Darling.
Kayla? Anyway, i-kick na natin.
Eto, sagutin mo ang tanong ko.
What's your question? Yes.
Ang tanong ko ay... Wait, paghahandaan ko. Sagutin mo please.
Ang tagal po niya.
Payag ka ba? Naimo ka, pero kalbo ka.
Payag ka, Kayla. Kalbo ka. Pero ambassador ka ng shampoo. Siyempre hindi. Huwag tayong papayag. Alam mo, ang gulo-gulo mo, bakla. Gulo-gulo mo yung ko. Okay, next side na caller. Nyeta. Puro kay laro Tiga mo. Okay, next. Who is our next caller? Okay, let's try this one. Have you ever tried this one? I choose you.
Hello, Kiana.
Oh my gosh. Nakahubad ka sa profile mo, Ikaw.
Yes. Nakita ko to before. Ay, 2 weeks ago ba yun? Nag-midnight sun ka sa building sa tapat ng Hosek.
Okay, yeah.
Andun yun.
You were there at the event?
Yeah, nandun kami sa stairs kasama mo. Sa likod.
Ay, hello po. Ano mo?
NK.
NK, hi NK. Introduce
Hi.
yourself to everyone. And what is your question?
Hi everyone, good afternoon. May question ako sa'yo, Kiana.
Ano ba yan? Bakit yun yung boses ko? Tingnan mo.
May question
Nalibig
na. May question ako sa'yo. Sige.
Tama ako, Chane. Go, What's your...
Sino sa Hosek ang may pinakamaasim ang wig?
Atay. So, sa Hosik daw, sino yung pinaka... Bakit ganyan yung question mo? Kaloka. Sino ang may pinakamaasim na wig? Sige. Kayo guys. Kayo yung pag-answering ko. Sa tingin nyo, sino sa Hosik ang pinaka... Hayop! Narin ako sagot sa utak ko Ewan ko lang kung magtutugma tayo. Sorry. Si Edsa. Correct! That is my answer. Si Edsa po. Edsa Extra. Kasi syempre, yung wig niya, nag-flip-flip, hinahagis kung saan-saan, so baka umasim na. Oo, ginagawa kasing basahan din yun minsan eh. Okay, next questioner natin. Let's see. Ikaw ni Lil, Ria? Dili. Okay, murag ikaw, girl. Okay, let's accept this one. I choose you!
Hello po.
Hi, what's your name?
Ruenzi po.
Hi, Rowency. Do you know what's that and that? What's the deal?
Yung question ko po, if you were to choose a queen from your, parang from your province po, who would it be? For season 4.
For season 4. Kala ko yung question. Okay. Siguro yung pipiling from my province sa Cagayan de Oro, no?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you for that question. I will be answering it right now. So, thank you sa heart. So that was the question of Miss Ma'am. Sino ba? So, kung meron akong isang... Madami kasi sobrang talented sa Cagayan de Oro eh. So, sino bang ano ko? Siguro top 3. I would choose top 3 and not in a particular... what do you say? How do you say that? Yeah, not in a particular order. I would have to say Marcella is so unique and very charismatic and dark. Marcella from the House of Supreme. And I would say from the House of Drag Lords, it would be Vinci Code. She's so good at what she does most, which is the looks, the makeup. And sa the House of La Fea, it would be Miss Wa. I want to see Miss Wa because she's very bubbly and very charismatic also. And then she is just a visual treat, if you know what I'm saying. Like, ang ganda tignan. Like, from head to toe, from the earrings to the makeup, to the nails, to the everything. It's well done. And this is your score. May tatlo kasing major. Merong tatlong major houses sa Cagayan de Oro, which are the House of La Fea, kung saan nanggaling si Hannah Beshi, the House of Supreme, and the House of the Drag Lords. That's it. Thank you for your question. That's very informative, and thank you for that question. Okay, that's... Okay, next questioner natin. Siguro maglagay tayo ng last two questions na lang, and last two people. Because I need to rest. Okay. How about this one? I choose you!
Hi!
Hello?
Hi!
Hi, Kiana!
Hello! Machu?
Hello? Yes, Machu.
Or Machu? Charing, nilito ka.
Pwede naman.
Nakakatawa. Okay, what's your question po? Do you want to pakilala yourself?
Hello, I'm Matt. I loved you in season 3.
What?
Installation Real. Hi, I'm Matt.
love
Question ko is, what's your dream piece to perform kapag nasa drag show?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
that wonderful question. So my dream piece would be I don't know how to tell this, but it's not very specific on like what title of the song. I just want to do like a 20-minute pieza. Just like I want to I want to incorporate live singing, acting, and dancing at the same time. So para siyang theater piece, if that makes sense. Tapos 20 minutes siya na pieza of just me acting and singing my heart out. So I don't know if what song pa or when, where. It's just like a dream of mine to be able to let you guys see how good as a actor I am. Yes! I hope that answered your question, Miss Sir, ano name mo? I forgot, di ba? Short-term memory lost. Anyway, that's it. I just want you guys to see how I freaking love theater. I just want you to experience the drama and the experience. Okay, next questioner and the last naman natin, no? Sana naman, magaling tong mag-question. Last question natin. Okay, I'll choose you.
I choose you!
Hello, Kiana.
Hi,
Hello.
Introduce yourself,
Oh my
please.
God, I'm your fan, and my question
Hi,
is:
fan.
Are you ready to compete again for international franchise of Drag Race? At anong franchise ito, global or versus the world?